Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 to this. I didn't know, and it's been a while since I've made a clone. So I'm going to get rid of all these, and if you didn't watch this one, how to get there, you need to watch part 1. I'm going to take this and go to edit, and I'm going to clone it. And at first I thought it didn't work because it's telling me a clone group of 2 objects. And this is a group of 2 objects. So always before I do something, I'm going to test it. And if I take this one and get the interactive fill tool, this is my clone. And if I change it, well, let me change it where it changes a lot so we can see it. Well, maybe I picked the wrong one. Let's do this. See, that's it. I was just confused because this says a group of 2 objects. So let me put that back. And this is our clone, our control clone. It doesn't say that. So I was a little bit confused, but watch what we can do now. Control D, alternate C, and rotate it to 45, just like we did before. I've already got the black background. And this is why I clone stuff. See how the black kind of goes into the bisque, I call it? Well, if we take this and change this, look what happens. Just changing the angle. Look at that. Looks like an old radiator fan for a car. There's some sort of star. I mean, that is pretty cool. I mean, I don't know what that is or what that would be called. But see, it just totally changes the and we're not even messing with the colors. Let's put a black on this end now. And see, now it looks like almost like a tube. And you can see how the lines are not really there. They're transparent because when I'm off the screen. And so this is a very good one to clone and just play with it. So now it looks like, even though it's this size, the black is kind of going into the abyss, because if we take this and make it a blue, well, that's not a good example, or a white, boy, look at that, or a red, let's go with red. You can see that it's just transparent. So black, it's there, the blues are there and the blacks are there, but it is going just into the black. So this is a very good one to clone. And, I don't even know what would happen if you put a red. Look at that. I mean, that's pretty special. And just playing with the handle. I mean, look how it, you go so far and it's going to go away. And then you go the other way and it goes to lines because you're bringing all the interactive fill to a line. Anyway, kind of fun to play with, and I would love to see if something like that would print on a black shirt. Anyway, I hope that gave you some ideas, and thank you for watching.